नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। ऑन वेडनेसडे द ऑल थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस सॉ अ शार्प डिक्लाइन इन द फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द सेशन but staged a strong recovery later. By the close, the Nasdaq managed to edge up 0.12%, while the Dow and S&P 500 ended lower by 0.50% and 0.27% respectively. The initial sell-off on the Wall Street was triggered by a Labor Department report revealing that the US consumer price in January rose more than expected. After registering the high of $77.03, the Brent oil has witnessed a sharp correction and it has ended at $74.77 level with a loss of 2.39%. Going ahead, the zone of $74 to $73.8 will act as an immediate support. The US dollar index has been oscillating in the zone of 108.52 to 107.29 levels for the last 6 trading sessions. Going ahead, the zone of 108.8 to 109 will be the crucial hurdle for the index. On the downside, the zone of 107.5 to 107.3 will act as an immediate support for the index. Talking about Nifty's view from the recent swing high of 23,807, the index has tumbled by over 1,000 points in just 6 trading sessions, signaling intense selling pressure. However, on Wednesday, it found support near the previous swing low and staged a modest rebound. This led to the formation of a dragonfly doji-like candlestick pattern on the daily chart, often seen as an early sign of a potential trend reversal. The long lower shadow indicates buying interest at lower levels, but a decisive follow-through move is crucial to confirm a shift in momentum. आगे चलते 23,150 टू 23,180 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट हर्डल का काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 23,180 लेवल के ऊपर चला जाता है तो हम 20 डे ईएमए लेवल तक तेज पुल बैक रैली देख सकते हैं, जो फिलहाल 23,367 लेवल पर है और फिर 23,500 लेवल पर। नीचे की तरफ 22,800 टू 22,750 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक महत्वपूर्ण सपोर्ट का काम करेगा, क्योंकि एक पहले का स्विंग लो उस क्षेत्र में है। अगर इंडेक्स 22,750 के लेवल के नीचे चला जाता है तो हम 22,500 लेवल तक और भी सेलिंग प्रेशर देख सकते हैं। On the derivatives front, the February futures dipped by 0.13%, while the combined open interest for the current, next, and far series also surged by 2.73%, which indicates short buildup. The 23,100 strike has a significant call open interest, followed by the 23,200 strike. On the put side, the 23,000 has a substantial open interest, followed by the 22,900 strike. For the weekly series, OIPCR is at 0.64, while for the February monthly series, OIPCR is at 0.92. The Bank Nifty has been exhibiting strong outperformance compared to the frontline indices over the past few trading sessions. On Wednesday, it marked the low of 48,734 and thereafter witnessed a recovery of nearly 750 points. आगे चलते 49,700 टू 49,800 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट हर्डल का काम करेगा। नीचे की तरफ 49,000 टू 48,900 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। Talking about Sensex view, the benchmark index Sensex also witnessed a sharp recovery after testing the low of 75,388 level. This resulted in the formation of dragonfly doji-like candlestick pattern on a daily scale. आगे चलते 76,600 टू 76,700 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट हर्डल का काम करेगा। नीचे की तरफ 75,700 टू 75,600 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। On the derivative front, the weekly futures dipped by 0.24% and the open interest of the current series has surged by 7.62%. The 76,500 strike has a significant call open interest, followed by the 77,000 strike. On the put side, the 76,000 has a substantial open interest, followed by the 75,500 strike. For the weekly series, OIPCR is at 0.79. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility index India VIX ended on a positive note for the third consecutive trading session. From the recent low of 13.15, it has surged by over 13% in just 5 trading sessions, which indicates that the overall market volatility has increased. Going ahead, the zone of 15 to 15.2 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index. The advanced decline ratio tilted in the favor of decliners. If we talk about the key sectors, technically Nifty consumer durables, FMCG, media, healthcare, pharma, PSU bank, realty, oil and gas, CPSE and PSE space are likely to underperform the frontline indices. Talking about the FI DI data, the FI sold to the tune of 4,969 crore, while the DIs bought to the tune of 5,929 crore. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 15.11, as on a net basis they bought to 373 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.